Hi YouTube, we're officially at 100 subscribers. So we're going to do a 100 subscriber giveaway. Give you a shirt. If you're subscribed, comment and like this video and tell us the size and the color. Black or gray is the colorways we have. Let us know your size. And if you're not subscribed, same thing. Subscribe, like, comment. Want you in the draw too. Really appreciate y'all. Let's get back to the video. We decided we're gonna put the engine together because we got a crank, so we're gonna do that. And we're listening to Finnegan.
I'm tired of I need a welding brake.
Not fabricator.
Not a lot, although recently I had a couple of...
Cranks in, torque down to spec. Stuff some pistons in holes.
Torque to spec.
Torque to spec, follow the torque sequences.
Tight is tight.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Torque your engines to spec.
And sequences. Yeah, so now we are gonna stuff pistons in holes.
Fun.
Holes is holes.
Rods and pistons are in and torqued.
Always marked into your bolts when you've done one.
So you know which is done and which is not done, and then you don't have to do everything twice.
Blue. Put some blue inside of purple. Blurple.
Always reuse your rear vane seals. Don't. We're just
Do as we say, not as we do. As my dad used to
wouldn't
say.
normally do this, but we don't have one and I want this engine together, so we're doing it. Are you silly?
Just gotta send it.
Still gonna
Send it. Floor. Alright. Use AMSOIL. Gonna lube up the shaft. Oh
Do
yeah.
you want to lube my shaft? Get a little more on the ones that real count.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Never put your shaft in dry. LS6. 5.3. You did it. That was... Nope.
Come on.
Hard no. We out here. It's gonna sound like a vet ranger.
This is gonna sound like a 31 stock cam Corvette.
We're just gonna turn the idle down real low, like 400,
Yeah.
350. How to make it, or just unplug one coil.
Redneck low.
What's that?
It's our high capacity oil pump. It's 18 over. Yeah, this is a 18% over oil pump.
How did we get this?
Thanks, Jamie.
Thanks, Jamie. Morning, Internet. I'm gonna start off this video with another unboxing. Start with our new 92mm throttle body from Performance World. Get the mounting hardware, some instructions. Pretty in black. That unit out. Next we're gonna do, so this is Performance World big block water pump. Yes, we're working on LS, but An LS electric water pump is like $800 friggin' dollars. So they make adapters to go into the LS from the big block water pump, so it's like under 200 bucks. Our intercooler. It's also a Performance World intercooler. Just air to air. Hot air goes in there, cool air goes out of that one. You know how it goes. We will be doing air to water when we upgrade intakes and so on in the future, but for right now, this is in the budget. Is our Performance World radiator. 3-core, brand spanking new. This and the intercooler is what I'm going to work on today. We're going to try and figure out if I cut out enough to make this fit. It should fit no matter what, but we're trying to make a little extra room here, so I'll show you in a minute. But that's a quick unboxing video. More Performance World stuff. Get them at Mopac. You can find them at performanceworld.com. Like I said, you need something, hit them up. It's very affordable. They're really great. Canadian. It's awesome. We can also hook you up, so hit us up. So yesterday I didn't really show you, but cut this out so we can tuck the radiator up a little bit further. So I'm gonna do some test fitting with that. Maybe get it mounted today. You know, trying to see. I'm gonna go grab the hood and see, because I think I want this higher because of LS. LS is not taking coolant very well. Well, I can go up a little higher. Got a couple inches still, so I'm gonna go up higher. Quick test fit with the bumper on. It's not square, so I don't think it's square, but grab the light. Stopped, went and got some flat stock. Just mocking up. I'm gonna do some nice bends so they come down and hopefully down and meets it, so that, and then I haven't decided. I'm probably just gonna end up welding the tabs in. So I got my brackets tacked. I made sure that my bolts for the bumper will clear. I mean, it's gonna be a little tight up through it with the wrench, but you could put the intercooler in after. It's pretty easy for taking in and out. All the bolts line up. It looks a little crooked because that bracket is bent. I might try and fix that a little bit, but okay, I got a plan for the base anyway. I'm gonna come here, down, gonna come down. Oh, that's not gonna be. Gonna come down in front of the radiator, down across the bottom and up an inch. So it should. First one done. I'm gonna go mock it, make sure it's close. I left enough room in this area for rubber, just a little bit of rubber so that it's not rubbing metal on metal. Thinking ahead. Oh yeah. Much success today. This isn't perfect, but I gotta put rubbers in there still, so there's a little bit of a gap on this. But it is tight. Like once there's rubber in there, that ain't ever gonna go anywhere. Got this cut up. I'm gonna angle it. I'm gonna bend this at an angle and then come up into the frame, and I'll weld it to the frame, and it'll be at an angle, but angly, and up into there to give it some support. Just gonna weld it right to the frame, right there. Once I get it, choop, 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 you'll see. That's what I'm doing right now. What's up? Intercooler is in. tacked it up there. Then angled it. Welded it in. Nice and tight. That's just this rattling. But yeah, that's tight. Look at that. Shake the whole dang truck. Back off and all painted. Forgot to film an outro, so different sweater. But yeah, we got the rad and everything all in, and that's it for me today. Next video, you will see me install the engine into the truck, hopefully for the last time. Test fit the exhaust we built, probably run the Holly into the cab and start getting all that set up. We're making good progress. Don't forget, we have shirts at, I'll put a picture of it up here, at riskyhabits.ca. Check our socials at riskyhabits1 on all social medias. And yeah, like, subscribe, we appreciate it. Remember, drive fast, take chances, risky habits.